Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Of course, my name is Sam. Okay, we want to see how we can hit 3,000 subscribers by the end of February. That's the goal, 3,000 subscribers by the end of February. So please do make sure you click the subscribe buttons, right, so that you can be getting news from us each and every day. For some reason, people said, okay, anyways, let's just move on to the news and see what's happening in the crypto industry. But first, let's look at the price at the market. So Bitcoin was able to push above $40,000, right, when it dropped down to 35. A lot of people were saying, was it 35 or 39? We're saying, we're going to 25. Well, we didn't go down to 25, right, or 10 as some people predicted. Also we have an academy, right? If you want to learn how to trade, how to make money through trading. I've been making money through trading for a long time, although I stopped trading for like 6 to 7 months because my accounts, not just one account, my accounts were locked, and the money, the funds that I have in there wasn't just my money. I had, some other people's money. Right, so I couldn't get my funds out, I couldn't even trade, and yeah, although I've resumed trading. But you want to learn how to trade, you take this course and then you get to know everything you need to know. All right, so Ethereum is still above $3,000, right? I'm waiting for Ethereum at $10,000. BNB is less than $500, and XRP is less than $1. So looking at the top 10 coins, I think Avalanche has had the highest gain, 27%. No, XRP has had the highest gain, 39%. I said there was a news that came out this morning how that XRP now has the, I think they were able to challenge the SEC, but that's the news for another day. Okay, let's look at the news. Right, SoftBank backed startup to offer retail crypto trading. Driver aims to be a crypto liquidity provider to compete with Coinbase while giving its partners, retail clients, the ability to trade crypto on their platform. I'm trying to find out if SoftBank is actually a bank. Driver is a New Jersey company backed by Japanese tech giant SoftBank and is valued at $2.85 billion. Anyways, the news around here is that more adoption for crypto, and these are the kind of news we want for the price of crypto to go up. Moving on, Kazakhstan proposes power price hikes and taxes targeting crypto miners. For those of you that don't know how to read the trend, right? I think it's immediately after the crash, or while we're saying in the crash, we saw news from India how that the government of India, they passed a bill to, for them to be able to tax cryptocurrencies. Now, correct me if I'm wrong. Is it possible to tax something that is illegal? The answer is no. Now, if India, as gigantic and as big as India is of a country, can start taxing crypto, that's to tell you that other smaller countries, around where India is, in whatever continent India is, will start taxing crypto also. I'm giving a very big prediction that by the end of 2022, we're going to see at least 100 different countries proposing crypto tax. I think we've seen like 5 already, and the ripple effect is going to go on, because when country A sees country B making so much money from crypto tax, they want to join too, so as not to leave out. And this is what's going to bring, all the money that has been sitting in the bank in real estate into crypto. And I expect cryptocurrency to hit, a Bitcoin to hit at least $100,000 as this, different taxes occur, right, or comes into play around the world, Anyways, but this news is not about tax for crypto, it's about tax for miners. And of course, miners are the ones that are, let me use the phrase, producing the crypto, because they mine the cryptocurrencies and they get paid in cryptocurrencies, and some of them get to sell and some of them get to not sell. But this is a bullish news for crypto as a whole. All right, moving on to news about FTX. So FTX has been making a whole, big moves over the last couple of months, stroke years. Crypto exchange FTX US to give away Bitcoin as part of Super Bowl ad, right? They've been making big moves, and do we know how much we are giving some Bitcoin away? How much? $1 million. Whoa. Oh, no. That's the question. $1 million, 1.5 million what? We don't actually know yet. Anyways, this news just says that FTX is going to be giving, a whole lot of Bitcoin, right? And I think that they are trying to give a hint on how much they're going to be giving out. It could be 1 million or 1.5, but I'm assuming it's going to be over $1 million because they put 1 million there and then they have 1.5, so it shouldn't be anything less than 1 million. That's gonna be some huge giveaway. I think it might have been one of the biggest giveaway in the history of crypto. Anyways, I don't know if there's a website that gives statistics on giveaway and their sizes. Moving on to a very strange news. Hashtag launches open protocol testnet offering under collateralized loans. This is a DeFi project that is giving loans to people. I don't know much about it, but from what I'm saying is on Harmony, and I'm going to read about it and of course give you guys my thoughts and preview on that. Anyways, that's the hashtag news. So let's move to KPMG. KPMG in Canada adds Bitcoin and ETH to its treasury. Let's read a little. KPMG just announced that they have added Bitcoin. See, anyone out there that is reading this news, or you're watching this video, or listening to the video, maybe you're driving and listening to the video, or to what I'm saying, and you don't have some Bitcoin, first of all, I dare say that it's an act of irresponsibility not to have Bitcoin, right? And I made a post this morning on Facebook. I was like, you are not ready for the next 5 to 10 years if you don't have any form of cryptocurrency. Although I said Bitcoin in the post, but if you don't have any form of cryptocurrency, you're not ready for the next 5 to 10 years. What are you going to tell your kids? Hey, okay, that I heard about it, but I thought it was all scam, so I didn't buy. Is that what you're going to tell your kids if it blows? I have this habit, right? So if I see something and there's there's talk that, hey, this is going to be the next big thing, right? Let's say I have, $100. I can just put $10 in there and forget about it. Or I have $1,000. I can just put $10 in there, or $100 and forget about it. It's better put the $10, which is something I can afford to lose, right? And lose the money and gain experience, then not put anything at all. If you don't put any money at all into it, number one, you will lose the experience, you will lose knowledge, and any other thing that you're supposed to lose. But if you put the money, the chances is just 50-50. You might either gain or lose. And if you gain, you have no regrets. If you lose also, you will learn. You will learn a way that doesn't work. Right? You will now be smarter. You now know, okay, if any other business that comes out having this same type of technology or this same type of business model, it won't succeed. And thereby you can start charging people, telling them, hey, I know the ways that... Anyways, I'm already teaching you guys how to make money. Moving on to some bullish news. So Tesla apparently bought Bitcoin. They've been buying Bitcoin, and according to recent news, right, the Bitcoin they had last year. Anyways, let's just read the news. Tesla held $2 billion of Bitcoin as of late 2021, according to SEC filings. Right, so as at the end of 2021, Tesla had $2 billion in Bitcoin. Now this is 2022. We don't know if they've added, because there was a market crash, and of course these guys are smart. I'm suspecting that they bought at least $100 million worth of Bitcoin. That's how that's how the rich keep getting richer, because they take advantage of the crashes, because you make money in crashes. And if you're out there, you're watching this video, listening to what I'm saying, right, and you want to learn how to make money, from home, how to take advantage of the market, both when the prices are going up and the prices are coming down. Please do make sure you chat me up on WhatsApp. My number is in the description, or you join our academy. The link to the academy is also in the description. Some Venezuelans reportedly hit by new Bitcoin tax of up to 20%. Now, remember I talked about India tax. The India tax was about 30%. Now, this is Venezuela coming up with 20%. That is also some bullish news for crypto. That's to tell you that these guys are saying now we accept cryptocurrency as legal, not illegal, because you cannot tax what is illegal. So you can carry out your cryptocurrency businesses, your cryptocurrency transactions, but you're going to pay tax on them of up to 20%, and of course 20% on gains, not on losses. Now let's move over to Canada. Protesters migrate to crypto fund raising platform following Gofundme ban. Okay, some of you might not know what's happening in Canada. This news is actually in Canada. I hope I'm correct. Yeah, it's in Canada. So apparently, the people in Canada have been really, really sad and unhappy about how there's been strict lockdowns and vaccine mandates, nose masks mandates for them. And they say to themselves, hey, we've had enough, right? There's a proof that this whole COVID-19 stuff is a huge scam, right? So we don't want your mandate anymore, right? We want to be free. And the truck drivers around the country, they came out in mass and they started protesting. Of course, peaceful protest. They locked everywhere, and they said they're not gonna leave the road until the government lifts all mandates. And of course, for them to be on the road that way, they have to leave their jobs or whatever they're doing, and someone needs to pay the bill. So people around the world donated money. I think it's about $1 million or so. I can't remember the exact amount. Let me see if this article, GoFundMe put the campaign at 9 million. Okay, the campaign got about $9 million in donation through GoFundMe, and that amount was seized by GoFundMe, which is a very bad move for GoFundMe. It is a bad move for GoFundMe and a good move for crypto, because after that happened, people now started donating through cryptocurrency because it cannot be stopped or brought down by the government. And so they've boosted the need and use of cryptocurrency in Canada. Right. So yeah, as at when this article was posted, they've raised well over 2 BTC. Oh, over 5.68 BTC. Anyways, that's some bullish news. MetaMarriage, this sounds weird to me. MetaMarriage, Decentraland hosts first metaverse wedding. Right? Just in case you don't know what this means, it just means people are having their wedding virtually online. Right? So that's just what it means, and people have to connect. And this is what the wedding looks like. This is amazing, right? Welcome to Candice and Rhea's metaverse marriage. This is really nice. I wonder how they were able to test the cake at the wedding. All right, so to the last news for this time of the day. Lost Bitcoin may be a donation, but it is hindering adoption. I'm going to read the article a little bit. I don't want this video to be more than 40 minutes, so I might not. Anyways, people sometimes make Bitcoin or crypto transactions to addresses that are unknown, and then those cryptocurrencies become wasted because they cannot be retrieved. So and a whole lot of Bitcoin worth millions of dollars have been lost over the years, right? And just to give the warning out there, if you're sending cryptocurrency to someone, right, you're making donations, please do make sure you check the address, double check and triple check, most especially if the amount you're sending is large. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. If you're still watching up until now, right, please do make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the bell button so that I can get updated whenever we send out another video. All right, see ya.